Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating an affiliate account with CR Equity and joining the affiliate program. Scroll down below for more step-by-step instructions in the description. At the end of this video tutorial, you will learn how to register, complete your profile, and set your password to start earning commissions and using your personal portal. To get started, please visit the CR Equity affiliate page using the link in the description. Once there, click Start Earning Today to access the affiliate registration portal. After that, you will be redirected to the original registration page. Here, you can begin creating your affiliate account and gain access to your own CR Equity affiliate portal. Scroll down slightly to start filling out the registration form and obtain your own login credentials. In order to proceed with the registration process, it is essential that you accurately fill out the first names field. Please ensure that you provide your first name, as it is crucial for identifying your account and personalizing your experience. Please make sure to also enter your last name. This step is crucial for processing your request effectively. Navigate to the email address field to enter your contact information. Enter your company or business name in the designated field. Go to the phone number field to provide your contact number. Please select the appropriate affiliate segment by clicking on the Segments drop-down menu that aligns most effectively with your requirements. Choose from segments that best fit your account. You can select whether you are a digital affiliate, finance professional, strategic partner, or a real estate expert. Once you're done, you need to read carefully the terms and conditions. Then you must check the checkbox to agree and move forward. Once you have filled in all the required information, you can click the Become a Partner button to submit your affiliate registration. After submitting your affiliate application, you will need to wait for it to be checked and reviewed by the CR Equity affiliate team for approval. Once approved, you will receive an email containing all the details about your account and the next steps you should take. Please check your email inbox for affiliate communications. The email you receive will include a link to the portal along with a temporary password necessary for accessing your account. Initially, please click on the portal link included in the email to proceed to the affiliate login page. Finish typing your full email address for login. Please use the temporary password that you received in your email. After that, you need to click the Login button to access your affiliate dashboard. You have successfully logged into your affiliate portal. The first thing you should do upon logging in for the first time is to change the temporary password to ensure that you do not lose your account credentials in the future. Click My Account to view your account settings and profile. Select My Profile to view and edit your personal information. Locate the Change Password button and click it to update your account password. Click on the New Password Server field to input your new password. Please re-enter your new password to confirm it matches. Click Save Changes to update your profile and password settings. You have successfully created and configured your affiliate account in CR Equity.Ai. You can now log in, update your profile, and start earning commissions by promoting CR Equity loan products and services. Thank you for watching. Please follow the instructions in the video description below. You can contact CR Equity support for any requests.